Look, listen and say. Fashion, travel, health, business, sports, wildlife. Drag the names under the magazine. Friends, read the name of the magazine and say what type of magazine it is. Complete the sentences with words from Activity E. 1. A magazine about sports is a sports magazine. 2. A magazine about clothes is a fashion magazine. 3. A magazine about money and banking is a business magazine. 4. A magazine about animals is a wildlife magazine. 5. A magazine about going on holiday or going to other cities or countries is a travel magazine. 6. A magazine about keeping fit and healthy is a health magazine. Pair word. Talk about magazines that you like. If you don't read magazines, talk about the topics you are interested in. Examples: I like sports magazines. I love cricket and kabaddi.